The Koenigsegg Jesko is a limited production mid-engine sports car produced by Swedish automobile manufacturer Koenigsegg. The car was introduced at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, and it completely sold out before the show ended. The car succeeds the Agera. The name Jesko is a tribute to the company founder's father, Jesko von Koenigsegg. There are two variations of the car, Absolute, top speed, and Attack, track focused. The engine is a development of the 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine used in the Agera. It has 4 valves per cylinder, each with a bore and stroke of 92 mm, 95.25 mm 3.62 by 3.75 inches, and a compression ratio of 8.6 to 1. The engine has a power output of 955 kilowatts 1,298 PS. 1,281 horsepower at 7,800 revolutions per minute, and 1,000 Nm 738 lb-ft of torque at 2,700 to 6,170 revolutions per minute on normal gasoline, and has a power output of 1,195 kilowatts 1,625 PS, 1,603 horsepower, and 1,500 Nm 106 lb-ft of torque at 5,100 revolutions per minute on E85 biofuel. The engine is mated to an in-house developed 9-speed multi-clutch transmission called the Lightspeed transmission lest by the manufacturer.
Which shows exactly what engine it is. Thank you very much. Yes, so this afternoon. Absolute. Jesko, absolute.